When the Sachsenburg concentration camp was set up in May 1933, the entrance was via this bridge here. Indeed, the camp is on an island, so the two arms of the river enclose the island, as you'd expect. But in this case, part of the river actually goes through here, through the mill building itself. Now, I suspect that this might have caused some problems with security. So later, a new entrance to the camp was actually made. Not only that, these buildings here could also be used. So we find here, for example, the gymnasium, but we also find things such as cells for prisoners who were being the cooler, to use the words often used in POW parlance. A new entrance, and we can see this in photographs, was made here. And what we've got in the wall, we can still see where the wall was. This was it. That was the entrance into the camp. The stones down here, but they're not original, and it went over to the other side. So now what we have here are buildings related to the guard house, the guard rooms, and to make the point about the river, let's come through here. And there's the Chopper River, the other part of it. And this is where it divides into two.